Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is a video I have been needing to do for a long time. Like, it's been on my video list forever. This is my hygiene routine. So I see a lot of people do stuff like this. Mine isn't like extravagant. I'm just gonna show you like what I use to like smell really good, because I live in Florida, South Florida. It's actually like really cold right now. It's 1 o'clock and it's 46 degrees outside. So like it's cold right now, but like during most other times of the year, it's really hot. So I need to show you what I use to not be funky. Okay? It's especially hard because I like smelling like sweet, you know, like cupcakes or like cookies or something, because sometimes in like hot weather that type of scent isn't great. Like, it can really be suffocating, but I'm gonna show you how I make it work. But before we begin, be sure to like and subscribe if you like my content, and be sure to check out my TikTok, my Pinterest, and my Instagram, which will be on the screen and linked in the description. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. So I have a ton of products in front of me, and then I have all my perfumes behind me. So let's just start with let's start with like the shower, like what I use in the shower. So I don't really use like smell good soaps anymore. My mom used to like to buy the Bath and Body Works like shower gels. I don't know, I'm not really a fan of those anymore. It's not like I don't like them. Like, they smell great, but I would rather, at least like for my advice would be like, when you're actually taking a shower, it's best to be just clean. Okay, so just use a regular bar of antibacterial soap and get out. Okay, maybe you can use a body scrub if you want. We'll talk about that later, but for me, I just use the bar of soap and then that's it. This is the one I use. It's just the Dial orange soap. I'm not taking it out of the thing, but that's it. That's all I use. Sometimes I use the Dove one. I think Dove has antibacterial soap. You can use that one. You can use the white Dial soap, whatever. But that's all I use because I just want to be clean. Like, and besides, I personally feel like, at least for me, smell good soaps, you can't smell them anymore, because it's just like you're coming out of the shower and you're putting on lotion and perfume anyway. So why would you know, like, you can't even smell the soap you use anymore. So I recommend just using antibacterial Dial soap. Okay, sticking with the shower stuff, sometimes after I shave, you'd want to like use a body scrub to like get all the dead skin off now that the hair is gone. So I've tried a couple of body scrubs. I've tried the Tree Hut body scrubs and the Dove ones. I don't really like the ones by Dove. They smell nice, but like the consistency is too soft. Like, I want the body scrub to actually scrub. Like, it has to be kind of abrasive, you know? So the Dove ones are not my favorite, but here are the ones I'm using right now. So me and my mom and my sister all use these all the time. So basically, my mom does nail polish swatches for this company called KBShimmer, and KBShimmer also makes like body products, I guess. So when KBShimmer sends my mom nail polishes, they will also send her like free body scrubs, and they are the best ever. The best ever. So these are just two that I grabbed for this video. This is almond cherry, or cherry almond, and this is Love Spell. This one is almost empty, but there's a lot of this left. So I like the consistency of these. It's like, it's abrasive enough, but it doesn't hurt, and the smells are so good. There was one that was like hot chocolate or something for like the winter. That smells so good. So yeah, I highly recommend these. And you can really actually see the oil in this. Like, if you just let it sit and you don't like use it for a while, you know, like to mix it, you will genuinely be able to see the oil in it, so it moisturizes your skin as well, so that's really nice. So I said before, I use the body scrubs usually after I shave, like after an everything shower, I use body scrubs. So what I use to shave, look, I don't like shaving, honestly. Like just using a razor, it's so annoying. Like it's a lot of work. So it's like I will use a razor to shave my armpits, and like that's it. Everything else I just use Nair. If you're not allergic to Nair, because sometimes you can get an allergic reaction, if you're not allergic to Nair, use Nair, because all you have to do is like rub it like on your arms or your legs or something, let it sit for like 3 minutes, and then get in the shower, and you could just bathe like normal and it'll all come off. Like it's nice. It doesn't smell great. They say this is sensational, but like, girl, this smells like actual crap. But it's like, it's so nice. Like I will never go back to normal shaving, but I still shave my armpits normally because I found a really good routine to do. So basically this is what I do. First you just use your normal soap and you bathe like normal. Then you use a body scrub. Okay, so you could just use any body scrub. Scrub under your arms with the body scrub. Then you take your razor and your shaving cream or shaving gel, and you shave down, and then I shave up. And then it's like, it's so smooth every single time, I'm telling you. So that is my shave routine. I don't use any special razor or anything. I just use the ones by Venus. That's not a big deal. If you wanted to know what shave cream I use right now, it's this one from Pure Silk, Raspberry Mist, and it says moisturizing with aloe. So yeah, but any shaving cream will work because I've used other ones before. But that is what I do with my armpits. But everywhere else, I just use Nair because it's like, come on. Okay, after that, I come out of the shower. Okay, you dry off. When you dry off though, I recommend like patting yourself dry. Don't like rub with the towel. Pat yourself dry. I'm not going to include my skincare routine. I have a separate video if you would like to know my skincare routine, but I would wash my face. I come out of the shower. Then I would put on lotion. So let me go and get the lotion I use. Now, I know a lot of people love Bath & Body Works lotions. They love EOS lotions. I don't really have dry skin. I have oily skin. Everywhere else on my body that isn't my face, it's just like normal. I don't really get dry skin. It's just normal skin. But like, dude, EOS does not moisturize. It just doesn't. It smells nice, but you will be ashy again in like 10 minutes. So I recommend this Nivea lotion. Anyone works, because I had one that was like vanilla scented, but this one is the Deep Nourishing Serum with almond oil. It's for dry skin to very dry skin, and this is like super thick and rich, so like you really have to rub this in. But this is what I use. It is so moisturizing. Like your skin will be shiny. So I really recommend this. But recently I've started also putting like a little bit of like body oil as well. So once I finish lotioning, then I put on body oil. So I have this one from Canvas Beauty. I think they have their own website, or they're on TikTok Shop, something. But this is what it looks like. This is Scent from Heaven. That is the name of this scent. So I just use a little bit of that on my arms and my legs, and I rub it in, and then I'm done. You should also do your chest too, and your neck, and you can go upwards like that. But that's what I do. So you can also use hand lotion if you want, but like I just use the same lotion for my hands as well. Okay, lastly, well, second to last, is perfumes. So perfumes, I have quite a few perfumes. I have some body sprays, but I have selected, like, in my opinion, like my 3 best scents. So first, you've heard me talk about this one a lot. This is Pink Sugar. I forget who made this. Aqualina something. But this is Pink Sugar. The packaging looks like this. This is my smaller one, but I will put the notes on the screen. A lot of people say this is like too sweet, or it can be like kind of a juvenile scent because of how sweet it is. This one is like third place for me. Out of the 3 I picked, this is like third place. I love this scent though. Like, I know it can be a little bit much for certain people, but this is my favorite scent. This is just my scent profile. Like, this is just the types of scents I like. I like sweet, gourmand, you know, stuff like that. So I really like this. So after you lotion, you would put on perfume. So I'm putting that back. Okay, next, second place. You've already heard me talk about this too. This is 𝙎𝙤𝙀𝙀. 𝙎𝙀𝙀 actually has a new perfume. Like, it's like this one, like it's pink, but it's like a different shade of pink. I'm not talking about the hot pink one. It's like a different one. I don't know what that smells like. I don't know what the notes in that are, but this is the original 𝙎𝙀𝙀. So the pink and silver one, I'm gonna put the notes on the screen too. I love this one. This is my second bottle of this, by the way. This one, it's like sweet, but it's more of like a clean, more subdued sweet, you know, like it's not as obnoxious. It's more like everybody would probably like this one, you know? Like if you're going to like a nice restaurant, it wouldn't kill everybody at the table. This one is nice. It's kind of like soapy a little bit, in my opinion. I already know my number 1 perfume. I just got this for Christmas. This is Marshmallow Blush by Paris Corner. And all of these you can get on Amazon, by the way. But this is it. Okay, wait. Because this fall, no, it was fine when I got it. I took it off so I could put some of this in like a mini container, and it's fine. It still works. It still works. Don't worry about that. Yours won't be defective. Okay. So, okay. This one, guys, I don't even know what to tell you. This is just like the sweetest, most marshmallowy thing I own. It's really hard for perfumes. Like body sprays is whatever, but actual perfumes, it's hard for them to get like that gourmand scent really right. But this one, this is really good. Like, this is like my number 1 thing I can recommend if you like sweet scents. This is like the best perfume ever. I think they even have another version of this. I saw 2 versions on Amazon. So I'll have both linked in the pinned comment if you want to see, but this is the best ever. I don't even know what to tell you. Like, I like it so much. I'm trying not to use it because, like, I don't want to use it all. Okay, now that was like my hygiene routine, but now I'm gonna give you just like a couple of tips on how to continuously smell good. Like, all of that is fine, but if you're musty, you're just musty, you know what I mean? So like, I'm gonna give some extra tips now. My first tip would be just to shave. And I know this is like, okay, obviously, but a lot of women, I'll say women, a lot of women don't. And it's like, girl, like, you don't have to, because some people, it's like a feminist movement thing. Like, in my opinion, everyone should shave. If you're under the age of like 45, regardless of whether you're a man, woman, whatever, you need to shave. Just stop. Like, stop lying to yourself. But if you're not gonna shave anywhere else, please shave your armpits. Hair holds odor. Hair holds odor. And if you smell bad, it might be time to shave. I'm just saying, when you do shave, put on deodorant, whatever deodorant works for you. I use Secret Clinical, but whatever works for you, use that. And then put powder, like baby powder, under your arms as well. That works really well because it like dries down. It works really well, trust me. Also, be sure to change your washcloth regularly, like every couple of days, because that after a while starts to like collect your oils and dirts from you, you know, and it's disgusting. So like, the towel you use to bathe with and your drying towel, change those regularly. I also use a separate towel, like to do my face with. This isn't a skincare video, but if you have acne, maybe you could try that too. Just use a separate towel. And I think that's it. I think that's like all the tips I have. Is there anything I'm forgetting? I don't think so. I think I have everything. Yeah. So once again, I didn't tackle like skincare like for your face in this video. I have a separate skincare routine, so I will link that in the description and in the pinned comment. But yeah, that's it. So I hope this video was able to help some of you. There's no shame, you know, if you need help. There's no shame. I'm not like laughing at you. I'm laughing with you. So all the stuff I mentioned, if I can link it, it will be linked in my Amazon storefront. So that will be also in the description and in the pinned comment. And that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Once again, check out my Pinterest, my TikTok, and my Instagram on the screen and linked in the description. And that's it. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.